Hello everybody and welcome back to another visual pattern challenge. Here is our pattern today. Here's step 1, step 2, step 3, and your challenge is to predict the number of, I guess these are donuts in step 4. If you can predict that, can you predict the number in step 43? I think that's going to be a lot of donuts. And can you write an equation to predict the number of donuts in any step at all? So that's the challenge. If you'd like to accept it, pause the video and see what you can do. All right, this is an interesting shaped pattern, and sometimes these types of patterns can be hard to sort out visually. I think my strategy here is going to be to try to find this shape in step 2, and it looks to me like there are these two symmetrical wings, and I see those here. Aha, so it looks like we added a column of 4 in the middle. And then, oh, so here's our wings again. Here's the column from step 2. We've added another column of 4. So if I were to predict step 4, I would have my wings again, and those had 4, right? 4 each in the wings. And then a column of 4 from step 2, a column of 4 from step 3, and a new column of 4 for step 4. So let's see, 5 of those, so it would be 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So my prediction for step 4 is 20 donuts. Let's go ahead and analyze the numbers. Let's make a chart. So I'll put the step number and the number of donuts. So here we've got 8 in step 1, and then this is in step 2 it's 12, and in step 3 that's 16, and in step 4 we're saying 20. So let's go ahead and take the difference between each step. 12 minus 8 is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4, and 20 minus 16 is 4. Aha! So this is a linear pattern. When we get a constant in the differences, it means it's linear. So we will use this line equation, y equals mx plus b, to model it. And the m, the slope of the line, is going to be the difference, how much it grows each step. So y equals 4x. And to figure out what the b is, let's look at step 1. If we put in step 1 for x, that's what x represents, the step number, and we did the multiplication, 4 times 1 is 4, that would only account for half of this. We need 4 more donuts. So we're going to add those. So now in our equation, we'll add that 4 as well. That's our b. Our b is 4. We've got y equals 4x plus 4. Does that work in step 2? So y equals 4 times step 2 plus 4. 4 times 2 would be 8, plus 4 would be 12, and yes, that's how many we have here. How about step 3? Y equals 4 times 3 plus 4. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Yes, that's what we have in step 3. So this equation, y equals 4x plus 4, looks pretty good. Once we're confident in our equation, we can use it to predict the number in step 43 by just plugging in 43 for x, because x represents that step number. So y equals 4 times 43 plus 4. And let's see, 4 times 43. Well, 4 times 40 is 160, and 4 times 3 is 12, so 160 plus 12 plus 4. So that's 172 plus 4, and that is 176 donuts in step 43. That's a lot of donuts. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get 20 for step 4? Did you come up with this equation? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.